Every woodworking project needs to start with square, flat stock. I'm going to show you the 4 essential steps to take this piece of material and make it square and flat. Step 1, we go to the joiner to get one flat face. If you have areas that were not completely jointed, just run it through 1 or 2 more times until you finally clean it up. We now have one flat face. The second step is to go to the planer and take that flat face and make a parallel face on the opposite side. We now have 2 faces that are flat and parallel to each other. The third step is to go back to the joiner and this time joint one edge. And the final step is to go to the table saw and cut that last square edge. Voila, 4 flat edges all square to each other.